Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss or this is the simple tips that what you should not do on appearing for your oral exam. Mainly it is I'm talking about nowadays we are all of you all students are giving online exam and that is oral exam. So there are something that students are maybe in the overconfidence or they may be having more stress or what are the things that the students are doing and it will create a negative impact and reduce their marks tremendously. So these are the things that you take care. This is what I'm talking according to my experience, what I notice, and what are their consequences. So everyone, please take a note that these things, what I'll discuss, that are the things that you should not do while doing while giving your oral exam, mainly the online oral exam. Now, the very first thing that you should be very enthusiastic. Don't be so bored or so tense that this is a simple discussion. And there are some things that you know, and there are some things that you don't know. So there is nothing great that something is that you are not aware or not able to answer. So nothing is there to that to take attention about it. So, what you should not do not give wrong answer to the question. That is what you can say the fake answer. That if you are not confident or if you are not aware that what is the answer of this particular question, you can say, "Sir, I don't know," or "Madam, I don't know what of this topic." So, if you will give unnecessary wrong answer, so it will create a negative impact. It will create a negative impression, and don't pretend that you know this and don't do the jalebi that is round and round. To the come to the specific point and give the answer to the point. Whatever the answer you are giving, that create a next question. So try to focus on the area which you are confident, that which you know. Okay. uh, when the question is asked to you, you just respond immediately. If you require time to think on that, you just take a permission, "Sir, I need some time to think on it. So please give me some time." Don't take unnecessary pauses or don't pretend that you are confused and you are not able to recall anything. So this create a negative impact. If you know, then you say, "Sir, I know," or something. It is possible sometimes that you need some time to calculate or to organize your thoughts. It is okay, but don't take the unpermission pauses. That is, when the question is asked, if you are not understood the question, request for the repeat the question. Or if you understand the question and you want to organize your answer, then ask that for the particular time. Then don't pretend that you are confused. This is the most important thing. It create a negative impact. So if you are most of the time, it is not possible that you are confused. And after asking the question, suppose the examiner asks certain question and you have given the wrong answer. So generally, in the most cases, the examiner asks the question of that answer what you are given. Okay, so then you get confused that which one is the correct. So you can say that whatever the answer I have given previously that was wrong, so I would like to correct that answer as this, and the answer of this current question is this. So this way you can correct if you understand that this whatever the answer I have given for the previous question is wrong. So you can correct your answer. "Sir, the answer my understanding was wrong," or whatever the explanation you want to give. So you can correct your answer that whatever my answer is wrong. The main thing is whatever the things you are doing, whatever the things what we say, what we think that what answer we are giving to the oral exam that we prepare for maybe 1 or 2 hours, or we just take input from our friends that what they are asking, what they are not asking. So it may possible that the question which is asked to your friend or the feedback you got from your friend, that topic they may ask or they don't ask. So it is the simply the whatever the preparation you did for the entire semester for your subject, particular subject. So that will reflect it, and you just use the common sense. And the last and the most important thing, that don't try to cheat. Some of the student, what they do, they just open some Google site on the laptop and just do the search for the whatever the question is there. But this create a lot of negative impact, and whatever the answers you give without reading from the laptop or the screen, so it create a very it is a very negative thing. So don't do that. It create a very negative impact, because you understand the person who is in front of you is the experienced person. He every day took at least 30 to 40 students oral, and so he know that what are the ways that the student, the psychological understanding of the student, the psychological behavior of the student, that naturally he has a study of that. So if you will read something from the screen or from the paper, so obviously he will come to know that you are reading something, because natural answer as well as reading from something, maybe paper or from the screen, so it is noticeable. You just do the recording for yourself, that you just read from the screen and just respond to a sample question whatever you, and respond naturally and identify between these two. You will notice that whatever the things you read from the screen or the paper, that you will understand that is you are reading from somewhere. So it create a negative impact, and so many students lose their marks due to this. So be honest. If you are honest, if you are sincere, so obviously your attitude has some marks. So what way you present yourself, it is not necessary that you should be sarvagya, means you should know each and everything. Whatever your attitude, whatever your approach, to what depth you can go and answer the question, that is checked by the examiner. So you just try to go deeper and try to prepare the subject. There are some subjects that you like or don't like, but you can have a discussion with your friends. You can have the reference from the various literature available, maybe the videos and all these things, and just take a reference of that. So don't do all these things what I have mentioned here, and all the best, all of you, for your oral examination. Thank you. Thank you very much.